Hi. So in the previous tutorials we have seen that how we can add shapefile, how we can customize the layer by our desired color. Okay, so now we are going to see that how we can add points or polygon inside our desired area. Like this is the Dhaka City Corporation area. So let's change. Actually, as you're seeing that this is the road network layer and it looks like clumsy. You can say that it will distract me to do my desired task, so we can just change the or uncheck the road network layer. Okay, so now we are going to see that how we can add point or polygons inside our desired area. So here is the airport of Dhaka City Corporation area, so we can just give it a boundary. So as you can see these toolbars. Okay, so just go to the add polygon toolbars and here you just add the area. It is for practice purpose, so maybe there are some you can say that the area should not be correct properly. So when you do it for your academic purpose, you just make it in your own way. So if you want to delete, okay, so just if you like these are the, if I make any mistakes after when I'm doing making any polygon, like these points inside a polygon I should delete. So just click keep the mouse button over it and click the right button of your mouse. It will be automatically deleted. Like as you can see that I am deleting this vertex, you can say. Okay, so we got our airport area, so you can give it a name, airport. So we are going to give it inside our DMC boundary shapefile. So the difference is, like as you can see that there are two layers inside DMC boundary shapefile. One is airport, one is DMC boundary. Okay, like when you are exporting, we are going to see it after our next period in our next tutorials. So how we can export our shapefile into KML. So here is the boundary. You can say that we have added a shapefile or a polygon area inside our study area, and now going to see that we can add place marks or point inside our area. Like here is Baitul Mokarram Masjid, you can say mosque. Here is the add place mark button. You just click over it and you got a place mark button or icon. Okay, here is the Baitul Mokarram Mosque. So give it a name, Baitul Mokarram Mosque. Okay, you can change the icon. You can say that you can change the icon in this section. So there is no icon about mosque. So just I'm giving it this icon. You can also change your icon with your customized icon, add customized icon. Okay, so we got our point file. So in our study area we have added one polygon and one points. So thank you for watching and hope we can learn something more about this in our next tutorials.